The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette lineup introduces a series of exciting updates and additions that continue to push the boundaries of performance and style. One of the most anticipated models is the Corvette ZR1, which boasts a staggering 1,064 horsepower and 828 lb-ft of torque from its twin-turbocharged 5.5-liter LT7 V8 engine. This powerhouse enables the ZR1 to achieve speeds exceeding 215 miles per hour and complete a quarter-mile in under 10 seconds, solidifying its status as the most powerful factory Corvette ever produced. To complement its immense power, the ZR1 features advanced aerodynamics, including an optional carbon fiber aerodynamics package that generates over 1,200 pounds of downforce at top speed, ensuring exceptional stability and handling. The exterior design incorporates carbon fiber elements to reduce weight and enhance performance, while the interior offers exclusive stitching and livery options, providing a personalized and luxurious driving experience. In addition to the ZR1, the 2025 Corvette lineup sees the return of iconic color options. Competition Yellow Tint Coat Metallic and Sebring Orange Tint Coat Metallic make a comeback, paying homage to the Corvette's rich racing heritage. A new Hysteria Purple Metallic hue is also introduced, adding a modern touch to the color palette. Inside, two new interior color choices, Habanero and a black interior with blue stitching, provide further customization options for discerning buyers. The Stingray model receives updates as well, with a redesigned spoiler for the Z51 Performance package enhancing its aerodynamic profile. The Z06 variant offers new 10-spoke wheel designs in 4 finishes: pearl nickel, gloss black, polished, and bright polish with carbon flash pockets, allowing owners to tailor the vehicle's appearance to their preferences. Pricing for the 2025 Corvette Stingray Coupe and Convertible starts at $69,995 and $76,995, respectively, maintaining the same base prices as the previous year. The Hybrid E-Ray model sees a $2,000 increase, with the coupe starting at $108,595 and the convertible at $115,595. The Z06 variant is also expected to receive a $2,000 price hike, pending EPA certification of the mandatory gas guzzler tax, reflecting Chevrolet's commitment to offering high-performance vehicles at competitive prices. In a notable marketing initiative, the Albany Firebirds are offering fans a chance to win a 2025 Corvette Stingray during their season opener. The contest involves making a 38-yard field goal attempt without a kicking tee, providing a unique and exciting opportunity for fans to engage with the brand and potentially drive away in a new Corvette. Internationally, Corvette is expanding its presence with the opening of a new showroom in Glasgow, Scotland, in collaboration with Arnold Clark, a major Scottish car dealer. This will be the first exclusive Corvette showroom in Scotland, with another planned for Altrincham, Greater Manchester. The showrooms will feature